Hello friends. Welcome to Marketrill. Explore the power of communities. Let's see how to sign up for Marketrill. Go to the Marketrill website. Click on Sign Up button to join. If you are already a Marketrill member, simply sign in. For new user, follow the next steps. Fill all your information. Then click on Register. Check your mailbox for activation link. If you are unable to find the link, check your spam folder as sometimes the email may be delivered to a spam or promotional folder. Confirm your email and sign in. Congratulations, you got 50 MKT coins, and if you put referral code, you get 50 more MKT coins. Visit www.marketrill.com today for additional details.